Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the positional arguments and keyword arguments in Python. Okay, so we have been working with the positional arguments, but unknowingly. Okay, in this video, we will know what exactly is a positional argument. So when you call a function with arguments without using keywords, they are called positional arguments. Positional arguments must be in the correct order. So let's define a function, get full name. Okay, and it will take the first name and last name. Okay, and it will print something like a string. Your full name is colon, and then we can do first name, a space, and then last name. Okay, quite simple. All right, now we can call the get full name function, and we can pass something like John and Doe. Okay, all right, now if I run the program, we are getting your full name is John Doe. Okay, this is quite good. So what exactly we have done? Whenever we are calling the function here, we are passing the John and Doe here. Okay, so this is called the positional arguments, because here the position matters. Because if I just cut out this one from here and paste it down here, okay, now run the program, your full name is Doe John. Okay, so position matters while passing the arguments. That is why it is called the positional arguments. So what I'll do something like this. Okay, John Doe. All right, not this one. All right, so this is the positional arguments here. Now what exactly is the keyword argument? You can send arguments with the key value syntax. This way, with the keyword arguments, the order of the arguments does not matter. The phrase keyword arguments is often shortened to quarks, okay? And this is something which we will see throughout the videos, in the upcoming videos basically, when we will be discussing about the functions and passing dictionaries to a Python function, okay? In Python documentation. Okay, all right. So what we can do, instead of doing something like that, what we can do something like this, get full name, and here we can pass, as you can see inside of the VS Code, we are getting some suggestions here. Okay, so here we can pass the first name equals to, and then we can do something like Jane, and last name, all right, to Doe. Okay, now run the program. We are getting your full name is Jane Doe. But unlike before, when we have swapped the position, here if I just do something like this, I will cut this thing out here, and after this one I will paste it down here. Okay, run the program right now. Still it is saying like, hey, your full name is Jane Doe. So here, with the help of keyword arguments, the position of the arguments do not matter. Okay, so this is the keyword arguments. So whenever we are just calling the function and passing the arguments, we can pass the keyword arguments something like this. Okay, if we know the function and what keyword arguments it takes. Okay, so the editor like VS Code helps a lot. When if I just do something like this, once again, get full name, and as you can see here, we are seeing the keyword arguments, so the first name and last name. Okay, so this is how the keyword arguments work in Python. So in this video, we have seen about two things, positional arguments and keyword arguments. Also, we can use the default parameters with the positional and the keyword arguments as well. So if I just do something like Let's do Sarah. The first name and the last name can be Smith. Okay, and now we can do get full name. If I just do that, run the program. So your full name is John Doe, the first one. Then your full name is Jane Doe, the second one basically. And then your full name is Sarah Smith, because we didn't pass anything. So here what I'll do, I'll just cut this one out because I like to follow the things here, just like the function definition. Okay, all right, run the program once again. Everything is the same. Okay, all right, so now there might be a little bit confusion. So this is what we call the default parameters of a function. Okay, so we are using the equal sign here. Also, we are using the equal sign here. So inside of the function definition, we use the default parameters. But whenever we are calling a function, then we use this syntax, and it is called keyword arguments. Okay, so these two things are different. So this is inside of the function definition, which is the default parameters, and here we are calling the function with the keyword arguments. Okay, so these two things are different. Awesome. So in this video, we have learned about the positional arguments and the keyword arguments in the Python function.